Hey everyone, I'm going to be breaking a box of the 2019 clearly Donruss basketball. I got this at a good deal. Um, haven't had much luck this year though with basketball, but I continue to buy, hoping I'll get a hit. Um, let's get to it. This is pretty interesting. It is a new addition to the basketball world. You guys like my knife? It's a Benchmade. It's a mini Bogut. Oh, Bogut. Sorry, it's a mini bug out. Anyways, here we go. Let's hope for something cool. I've seen these open earlier. They're like acetate cards. They're clear. And they're not much to it, but best thing I've seen so far is a base Zion. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, there's already something cool in there. Do you guys see that? It's like sparkling. I don't know what that is. Let's see. Colin Sexton. LeBron James. Oh, I could see something. It's number 3 of 5. Donovan Mitchell. Wow. I don't know what that is, but it looks really cool. 3 of 5. I don't know if you can see that. No, there you go. 3 of 5. Wow. Funny I couldn't get his card during his rookie year, but now I got a... Well, okay, that's pretty cool. My rookie is Alan Smalagic. Oh man, I must have chopped that up. Tackle Fall. Cool. Not a bad first pack. Alrighty. Next up, Branding Ing. Ooh, there's a printing error there. Do you see that? Look at his name. Yeah, there's like something wrong there. Blake Griffin. Jamal Murray. Nicolo Melli. And whoa, that's, yeah, I'm not even going to try to pronounce his name, so I'll just, there you go. All right, next pack. Ooh, a one of one. Oh, that's not a one of one. That just says number 11. Okay, getting ahead of myself here. Kyrie Irving, Russell Westbrook, also with a strange printing. I don't even think that's an error. It's just bad quality. Another Jamal Murray. Bruno Fernando, rated rookie. Cameron Johnson, rated rookie. I pulled his encased the other week. Oh, look, this one's weird. Huh. Well, maybe it's just me. Feels weird. Oh, maybe just because there's a lot of cards in it. Wow. I mean, those... Wait, how many cards are supposed to get a... Yeah, they're supposed to get 5 cards per pack. There's definitely more than 5 cards in here. I don't know if you could... I don't know if it... Okay, well, anyways. Put it down. Kevin Durant. Domantas Sabonis. Victor Oladipo. Or Oladipo. Sorry. Giannis. Woohoo. Cool. Zion Williamson. Wow. My house. That is cool. Hey, I got a Zion. That's pretty cool. I don't know why that makes me happy. Keldon Johnson. Jarrett Culver. There's a lot of cards in this pack, right? I mean, this is more than 5. Terrence Davis. And finally, Brandon Clark. Quick recap. I think, obviously, this was a hit. And this really cool, where did it go? Oh, there it is. This is a really cool Donovan Mitchell card, right? Three of five. That would have been sick if this was a 3 of 5, huh? Thanks for watching.